Hydrogen is expected to replace fossil fuels and become the world's main energy carrier by 2030. To make this dream a practical reality, we will need safe and efficient ways to store and transport liquefied hydrogen. The main challenge of liquefied hydrogen is that it needs to be stored at minus 253 degrees Celsius, which poses technical challenges that nobody has been able to overcome so far. At Pusan National University in Korea, Prof Jae-Myung Lee's group has been developing state-of-the-art technology for a novel liquid hydrogen storage system. Their ultimate goal is to create the best possible vessel for storing and transporting liquefied hydrogen overseas. In their latest studies, they found efficient solutions to some of the main challenges in this field. One critical issue when storing liquefied hydrogen in steel containers is called hydrogen embrittlement, a process by which hydrogen atoms penetrate and fracture the inner steel walls. To prevent this from happening, Lee's group applied a polytetrafluoroethylene coating, which effectively stops hydrogen atoms from getting into cracks in the steel. Lee's research group has also tackled the complex issue of thermal insulation. They developed advanced theoretical models for materials design and produced an insulating foam made from polyurethane enhanced with carbon-based nanoparticles. This foam achieved a 38% increase in cryogenic strength and an 8% increase in insulation performance, surpassing that used for traditional liquefied natural gas containers. Hydrogen is the ultimate eco-friendly fuel, and the recent progress made by Lee's group at Pusan National University has taken us one step closer to the greener future that most are striving for.